Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can see a unit feature in the new banner of Dokkan Festival. So I made this video for the beginner only that are new into this game. So today or this week is for Turles. This is a new DFA that come to global. And for you who are new to this game, you can see all the unit that feature in this banner. Just tap the summon button and you can see the recommended banner here. And this is the new SSR Turles. So we can see all the feature unit by tapping this option. Tap the feature and this is the main feature unit, the Turles. You can see the SSR and the Awaken UR and the Dokkan Awaken, and also the other banner unit like Dice and Cacao, Amon and Raisin. You can see the Dokkan unit, Dokkan Awakening. Also you can see the details of their leader skill. And Yamcha is back here. He's very good unit. You can see also the passive skill, super attack, and you have to scroll to the right. And also in this feature you can all see the more detail in here. Tap this three stripe and this is the details of the Turles. Tap the details. This is the super attack details, and this is the list of category that Turles had. And also you can tap the growth to see how this Turles Dokkan Awakening. Tap the details, and this one, he has also active skill here. You can learn about this active skill. And this leader skill is Space Traveling Warrior or Pure Saiyan, and plus additional HP and attack defense 30% for low class warrior and planetary destruction. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So the button below. Enjoy the game.